Let's now look into the formulas. Why a formula called as magic? Because they calculate values automatically. No triggers, no code, just smart logic. Some common use cases are status indicators with colors like healthy, at risk, critical, days and month calculation, tier classifications like platinum, gold, silver, cross object data display, KPI calculation, hyperlinks to external system. Formula fields can return text, number, date, currency, checkbox, percentage. The power is Claude can write any formula in seconds, even with nested ifs and visual emojis. These used to take admin at least an hour. Now it takes 5 minutes or less. Let me show you a tiered scoring formula where we want to display on an account a health score with visual indicator. I will tell Claude, create a formula field on account called health underscore status, return text with emoji visualization. Green circle for healthy, annual revenue over 1 million and industry not others. Yellow for watch, annual revenue between 100K and 1 million, red for at risk. We'll see how Claude generates the formula using nested if with emojis. Let's copy this and then put it in a Claude. Let's go to Claude and let's copy paste and put it over here. So Claude tells us step-by-step instruction that first we have to create a field on the account object. Then we have to have this particular formula which has nested if, and it is also telling me the color red, green, yellow. Tells me to check the syntax. It also recommended a fix where it says that annual revenue can be blank too. So we have to make sure that we take into account. So that's why we're using now a function blank value. And at the end, it asks me to add it to a page layout. Then it gives me certain test scenarios and then the edge cases. So now if I try to implement this in Salesforce, I'll go step by step. First step would be to create a formula, create a field. So if I go to Object Manager, Account, Field Relationship, New, I'm going to create a formula. Say next, give a name. The return type will be text. And now we are going to copy paste the formula. We are going to use the below one, which is checking the blank value also. Before hitting save, we are going to check the syntax. So over here, since our industry is a Picklist field, we did not tell Claude that industry is a picklist field. So we have to make use of pickval function is pickval. Now let me go and copy paste this error to Claude. So now Claude has given us an updated using the is pickval. We'll copy this, go back, and then again, let's check the syntax. This time there is no syntax error. We'll say next. Next. We'll give the P level security and save it. Let's open any account. So over here, the formula field that we had is showing healthy. Let's try to change the revenue. Let's put the monthly revenue. Now it has changed to at risk. Similarly, now let's make it or become healthy. So this is how the formula works. And with the help of Claude, we were able to generate it in minutes. So now our module tree is done. You just mastered two core admin tasks. Look at what you built: a validation rule with bypass logic, a complex picklist transition rule, and a visual health score formula. Time saved per week, conservatively about 3.5 hours. That's half a day per week every week. Coming up in module 4, from a stakeholder email to working flow in 15 minutes. This is where the productivity gains get really impressive.